Hello everyone, this is Dr. Din at your service, and we are going to show you microneedling. And microneedling, it was a day at Giovanni. We had like a day with the Genius, which is a machine that does microneedling, and it is a new addition to our repertoire of skin rejuvenation. But right now, what I want to show you is body rejuvenation. And microneedling is one process that can really help with skin laxity in certain parts of the body. So people who suffer from, let's say, stretch marks or any other procedure like that, any other, or scarring like acne scars and stuff, should try microneedling. So I am going to show you how she is doing. We have a client. This is around the knee. So as you can see, we're treating the body. Look at how many shots she's already had, total treatment. This is how deep it is. And you can also see how much energy this is going in. And let's see the machine. As you can see, this machine is right now taking care of her sagging skin around the knee area and her thigh. How much does it hurt? Well, from 0 to 10, what is the pain level? And this is when you've had an ibuprofen, when you've had what else? A little bit of Xanax also, I guess. Yes.
About a 7.
About a 7. She's also a baby who can hurt a lot. But yes, dude, yeah, she doesn't like pain. Well, anyway, the pain level is here, and we're not giving you the stem cells in this treatment. We are going to, when we do your second treatment, because we want to try and see like what it looks like before the stem cells, without the stem cells, and how healing will take place when you do the stem cells with it. So microneedling, this procedure has like some really fine needles, and look at that. And you can see those needles getting stamped into the skin. It goes all the way in. This treatment is going to replace several other kind of treatments, because this is like a very upgraded microneedling machine. The needles are really, really refined. They go, and we can control a lot. It has a really smart artificial intelligence which knows where to give the treatment, so you can go like really, really fast. And what you're seeing Lydia do right now is like a stamping method, which is called tea bagging. Basically, she's putting like these tea bag kind of treatments on top of each other, so every area is getting treated like 4 times. And you can actually see a little bit of welts that are developing in that area, and that is that's a sign of a really good treatment. And one of the things that we also do when she's gonna get stem cells next time, we're going to probably be adding stem cells around this time. And what microneedling does is that it creates like these really nice channels, and then through these channels we can send in products. But then even if we're not sending products, these channels are going to aerate and rejuvenate the collagen layer, which starts to get old as we age. So basically, it's a rejuvenation method of the collagen layer. You can think of this treatment like, have you seen people who are who go and they dig into their grass and lawn and like really aerate the area, and then suddenly you notice that the grass starts coming out really nice. Similarly, collagen is also, this is also like aerating that collagen layer and creating micro injuries and giving some radio frequency laser treatment in that area, and then you are able to see the difference. So around the knee, it probably hurts a little more. Yes. It's like, okay. So basically with one needle treatment, you can go to like up until 1,000. So she's giving like 500 treatments on one side.
It will target me that it's 1,000, but I can still go past it.
Oh, okay.
That means I can use it for as much as I want this time, because those are gold. But once I turn the machine off, I have to replace it with
all right. So you cannot, so we're going to give her all the treatment today.
That's what that beep was on before when you were talking.
Yep, I get it.
Normally when we do the face, we don't do as many as this.
Is the face one layer or 2 layers?
2, sometimes 3, depending on how targeted the area is. Like if she wants to, like, if you have a certain blemish on your face you're trying to achieve, like sometimes you have like